Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by making sure your phone is on the same Wi-Fi network as the new device, because the app discovers hardware through local networks. Open the Google Home app and confirm you're signed into the correct Google account. This ensures settings sync to your profile. Once done, plug in the device and wait for the LED or sound that signals pairing mode. Don't skip this. If it doesn't appear, press the device's factory or setup button briefly, then return to the app to continue. You'll tap Add, then set up device and choose New Device to let the app scan for hardware. Make sure Bluetooth is allowed so discovery is faster. When the device appears, select it and follow prompts to assign the Wi-Fi network and enter the password. This connects the device fully. Next, name the device and place it in a room so voice commands map correctly. Finally, grant any requested permissions, because those enable features like speaker casting, voice match, and integrations. You finish by running the built-in test, play a sound or ask a simple voice command to confirm the device responds and volume levels are correct. Once verified, update firmware if prompted and configure routines, link services, or voice match so behavior matches your household. If something goes wrong, reboot the device and router first, then make sure your phone is on the same network. If problems persist, perform a factory reset and repeat setup. This clears most persistent pairing or firmware glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.